Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm down at a lake in Milton Keynes again, another lake called Furzton Lake. Again, this lake is one of those that was built or dug out back in the early 80s, I believe, when they built the estate, the Furzton estate, and again to balance the water to prevent flooding in the area. I believe there was an old sort of filled quarry here, actually, water filled quarry, which they utilised when they built this. I think as a photographer and a family man and a business to run as well, it's sometimes difficult to find time to get out, but I think even if you can find half an hour, it's worth getting out with the camera, and that's today. I only really have got half an hour before I need to get back home. So I'll put the shots up here with the settings. I'm going to try a few close-ups today and see what happens, but not a lot of time, but it's worth getting out, I think. So that's me back now. I've taken a few shots, you would have seen them, just a few close-ups, a few across the lake and a few of swans. You know, when you only got half an hour, you've just got to get out, see if you can take a few shots just to keep your hand in, really. So hopefully they've come out okay. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.